So I'm just at this pond here, and this whole crownland area is new to me, and this spot looks nice. The wind's blowing this way, so if I can get across to the other side of the pond there, I think that'd be a good spot to set up the tarp for the night. Yeah, this is definitely the area I'm gonna be in. Just gotta find a couple trees. Somewhere not too brushy. I've narrowed it down to 2 spots. There's a nice spot down there. It's flat, it's close to the water, but I'm worried it's a little exposed, especially if the wind changes directions. The other spot is just up the ridge up here, and it's not as close to the water, but I think I'm a little more protected from the wind, so I think that's what I'm gonna go with. I did not realize this one was already cut. Wow. I didn't see that. Beaver had already chewed it. It was just sitting there. tonight's dinner, something I've never had before, I'm going to be doing bangers and mash, which is sausage and mashed potatoes with an onion gravy. For the mashed potatoes, I'm just going to do a baked potato and then mash it up when I'm done with it. For the gravy, I've got some instant gravy that I'm going to throw some onions and garlic in. Hopefully that'll suffice. All right, potato. That's going on the fire. Now I just gotta wait a little while for that to catch up and I can start the rest of the food. This has been a weird winter. Last year by this time, I think I had been winter camping. I didn't record all of them, but I had been out 4 or 5 times up until this point. This year I've only been out twice. It has been incredibly mild. We've not gotten a lot of snow. Last week, it was 12 degrees. At the beginning of February. I feel bad for not getting out as much as I did last year, as much as I want to. But on the other hand, I get excited to go camping in the snow, and if there's no snow, you're just camping in the cold, and I feel like that's not as exciting. It's not what I look forward to in winter camping. And I think, especially because I would like doing the video side of things, I need to be careful not to force myself out to do it. I still need to enjoy it, and if there's not as much snow or there's just not as much opportunity to get out and enjoy it, I shouldn't force it because I know I'm going to be miserable, or at least not get the enjoyment out of it that I want to. But that being said, I got incredibly lucky with the weather this past week, dropping off more snow for me. Because this might have been a cold weather camping trip that I was pushing myself to do just to get out again to say I got out. But I'm definitely having a good time with the snow here. Whoa, that is hot. This is venison sausage, so the coyotes that I heard howling earlier ought to be pretty jealous. I don't know, it looks like something's happening. Moment of truth. I might actually leave the tin foil here just to help keep everything kind of contained, because I have a feeling this is going to be a bit of a mess. There's the mashed potatoes, or mashed potatoes equivalent. The thing that really ties it all together, the onion gravy. All right, well, go. That was really good. Oh my god. That's amazing. I'm so happy this turned out well. Yes. Awesome. I ran through the first 3/4 of this meal, slowed right down, and now it's cold. I tried reheating it on the fire, but it's not worth it, so last bite is cold. It's frosty. Oh, done. That was good, but I'm just really full. As full as I am, there's always room for dessert. This is cinnamon powder and cayenne pepper. Just adds a little bit of kick to the hot chocolate. Oh man, this stuff's good. It's actually called Mayan hot chocolate. It's snowing a little bit. It was super clear like half an hour ago. I didn't even notice the clouds come in. So with that, all I got left to do is go hang the food bag, get my bed ready, brush my teeth. Alright, that's it for me. It is just past midnight now. It's late night. I am tired. So I'll see you guys in the morning.
Morning. Fire's still going. I forgot to show this off yesterday, but this tree was actually hanging right where I wanted that fire to be. So I just tied it off the tree there, and then when I go to leave, I'll untie it, put it back.
Always too hot on the first sip. I'm all packed up now, so I think that's it for me. This turned into a great trip. There is a lot more snow coming down today than I thought there was going to be. So after having so little snow this winter, this is really nice to see, and I'm glad I got to get out of that. I'm super happy how dinner went last night. That was an amazing idea. I'm gonna have to start making that at home. I've never had that before. But other than that, as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.